What's the meaning of commotion? Commotion. Commotion.
Commotion. Commotion. Commotion refers to a state of disturbance or turmoil. It is characterized by a lot of noise, confusion, and agitation, often caused by a sudden and unexpected event. The result of a commotion can vary depending on the context and severity of the situation. It can range from a minor disruption to a full-scale riot. In some cases, the result may be positive, leading to increased awareness and action on an important issue. However, in many cases, the result is negative, causing damage, injury, and even loss of life.